Made of 18/10 stainless steel, 12 in length. Smart locking mechanism for space-saving storage. Great for turning steaks, sausages, vegetables and much more. Convenient locking mechanism for one-hand locking and releasing operation. Ergonomic design for safe and cofortable handling. Easy and hygienic cleaning in the dishwaher. Top reviews from the United States. The best tongs I've ever used. This is another Rosle utensil I use all the time. Easy to use, fantastic silicone grips, doesn't mark the pan, and easy to clean. It never fails to pick anything up. Simply point down and then squeeze to open them. Point up and squeeze to close them. A very clever opening and closing lock mechanism designed to be operated one-handed. It takes a few minutes to familiarize yourself with them, and find the technique required. I simply love and adore these tongs. Beautifully made, strong and sturdy, good heat-resistant silicone to 260 degrees centigrade. Highly recommended.